Alright, if you drive, this is one of those must-have emergency tools you keep in your trunk. This is a portable car jump pack with an air compressor, and it pretty much covers every roadside situation. First, the big one, 8,000 amps of peak power, which means you can jumpstart cars, trucks, even larger diesel engines without needing another vehicle. Then you've got the built-in air compressor, pushing up to around 150 to 160 psi, so you can inflate your tires anywhere. Flat tire on the side of the road, no problem. And this one is where it gets even better. It also includes a tire repair kit, so if you pick up a nail or slow leak, you can actually patch it up and reinflate on the spot. That's a huge win compared to just having a pump. On top of that, it doubles as a power bank, has a built-in flashlight for emergencies, and usually comes with jumper cables and gloves. So it's a full roadside kit in one device. Super convenient, you don't need roadside assistance, and you're covered for both dead batteries and tire issues. Overall, this is one of those hope you never need it, but you'll be glad you have it kind of tools.